Hello everyone, welcome to Adventures with Roxanne. And today you'll be seeing a little mismatch of a couple of days of videos. You'll see my mom and you'll see me washing my dishes. So sit back, enjoy the video, and y'all have a blessed day. Candy, why are you ignoring Mommy and not answering me today? I'm ignoring you because you went shopping and left me at home. So I'm going to sit here and clean myself and not talk to you. Candy, I love you. I'd rather be by myself and not talk to anybody today. Not till Mommy starts cooking dinner, and then I'm going to say, yummy, 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 can I have some of your dinner? Hi everyone, I thought I'd show you my mom again today. She's doing okay. She's loving the candy I bought her. I bought her some Whoppers. And she's eating all the Whoppers. Yeah. So, and I bought her some flowers. I bought her a dress, but a dress she don't really want, so that's alright. I said I'll take it home and wear it. So, everyone that knew my mom, hello. Say hey, Mama.
Hey.
Traffic, traffic, traffic. Atlanta traffic.
Won't be going 285. Last time we were 285 walk. And when we come back by.
A lot of traffic today in Atlanta.
Always. Ain't just today, it's always.
We just passed a wreck. Some guy hit the wall or person. That's my day. And then the people put their blinkers on at the last second. And you don't even have a car link and they want to get in. Hi. Hello everyone. It's washing my dishes day. So, thought I'd just come on here and talk to y'all a few minutes while I was washing my dishes. Have y'all got your Mother's Day sorted out and picked out? Or do you not have a mother? Do you have a lady friend? A church friend that's a mother figure to you, you know? So, it doesn't have, in the U.S., I know in some other countries, Mother's Day is a Sunday. But if you don't have a mother, it's okay. Celebrate your dad. If that's who raised you. Celebrate your aunt if she raised you, she's a mother to you. Celebrate your grandmother, So, yeah. And you're going to hear some noise because I'm washing dishes. Well, loading my dishwasher is what I'm doing, so. Anyway, I went to see my mother yesterday. And you can't see it, but I've got a new dress on. It's gotten wet from washing dishes. But Mother says, I don't like it. I said, well, more for me. My size is your size. So I took it home and I put it on today, and I'm wearing a new dress. It's more Sunday dress. It's long. You could use it as a formal dress, but or just a casual dress. So let's see. Can y'all see it? That's part of it. But anyway, it's about new to me. And you know what? I didn't spend but $9.99 on it. I got it at Aldi's, my favorite place in the world. Not really, but it's a good place to go and get things that you can't even imagine you would find at Aldi's. Back when we were growing up, a grocery store was a grocery store. And the clothing store was a clothing store. You didn't find anything but clothes in a clothing store and food in a food store. Now you can go into your any food store, any grocery store, and probably find at least one item of clothing of some kind. Whether it be socks, whether it be your local high school team's t-shirt. So, times have changed. I don't ever remember growing up and going to the grocery store and finding clothes, but you can now. So, yeah. And any of my gamers on here, I'm gonna be playing on a new place. She finally got it to where I can probably play on it. I'll be playing that later today and be there on Monday, probably Minecraft Monday. And for my cruisers out there, I'm looking for a cruise. I'm looking for a roommate for a cruise. So, if you need a roommate, let me know. I'm ready for a cruise. I'm also ready for Paris, London, Tokyo. I'm ready to travel, but I want to go to Tokyo, Japan. And I want to go to Disney in Tokyo, and I want to go to Disney in Florida. So I'm probably gonna buy myself a pass. If you go twice on a pass to Florida, it's paid for itself. So it's worth it, I think. But I was been doing some research and looking at other people's trips to Disney, Florida versus Disney Tokyo. Did you know if you get the right airline ticket, you can actually go to Tokyo Disneyland and Tokyo Disney Seas cheaper than you can Disney World in Florida. So that's why I want to go. Save some money, go have some fun, see a new country. So any of my friends that are watching this want to go and travel and see the world, raise your hand. Let me know. Say, hey, I like to travel. I'm ready for travel, ready for fun. Yeah, yesterday I went to see my mother, and I had to go with my brother, which is okay. Do you have those brothers that they're just okay? You get along with them, you love them, but you can't spend more than a day with them. So yeah, that's me and my brothers. We can tolerate each other for about a day. So, but my brother went to the doctor about his head. He's been having headaches. Well, come to find out, it's probably his glasses. So that's what's probably doing it. So he's got to get new glasses. I got new lenses in mine, but someone said they looked like I had new glasses on. And new frames, and I said, just new lenses. But I looked at my old lenses and looked at these. The old lenses were supposed to have the blue tint in them. It doesn't. If it wore out when I first got it, it's wore out, but I don't think it should wear out. But I can see the blue tint in these compared to the other pair. And plus, these are blue, a bluish, light blue, frame. So, yeah. And mine aren't cheap. So, my brother said, well, I guess I got to go work, do some deliveries today to get some money to buy the glasses. He said, I need about $200. I said, well, thank God you only needed $200. I needed close to $650. And if I told him that, he probably would have said, oh, you should have went to so-and-so and got them cheaper. Well, no, not all eyesights and frames. Even though you're going to go to these places, they're going to say they're $195 for bifocals and this and that. Well, I have no line bifocals because I can't stand the line. Plus, my prescription is so strong. And I can't buy just the regular lenses. I have the 1.74s, which is a high index. Now, if I lived in the UK, I read somewhere a year or so ago that they have up to 1.8. We have 1.74s. They have 1.80s. if that's the number right. They have a higher index than we do. But the U.S., I guess, says that you're getting them too thin, you're going to break them. That's your fault if you break them. So, I guess. I don't know. But I'm still, wishing we had thinner ones. But these feel even heavier than the ones that I had last year. So I don't know if they didn't give me the 1.74s or just it's because it's a different strength and it's making it feel heavier. I don't know. But anyway. I'm washing my old plate. It's gold plated. If I can get the trash off of it, I'll show it to you. The house blessing. Can y'all read that? Probably not. Bless this house, O Lord, we pray. Make it safe by night and day. I had it hanging on my wall for the longest, and it got taken down when they redid and painted and never got put up, and I found it, and it had some dirt on it, and I dropped mayonnaise on it when I was pulling it out of the jar because it was next to me. I said, well, I need to wash it. And then I'll put it back on the wall another day. I don't even know where it came from. Let's see what it says on the back. Decorated use only, 18 karat gold, made in Japan for MD State Product Company, Lynchburg, Virginia. So, I don't even know where. I think I got this wedding present. I can't remember. And then my brother gave me yesterday because our cousin didn't want this picture. She said, I don't want those pictures of them. They're gone. They've been gone a long time. Well, so my brother said, do you want them? If not, I got extra pictures in a frame that they didn't want. So, that's my cousin, Billy, right there. And that's my Uncle Bill. Uncle Bill adopted Billy. Nobody knows who his father was. They tried. The only person that might have known was my grandmother. So, it's not, nobody knows. They kind of favor, but they're not related. They were adopted. And then he gave me the picture of my cousin Billy when he was a baby. So, and then I got to get out my old computer because I don't have a DVD player anymore. It broke. He gave me, I ain't looked at it. It says Doris and Billy is what it says on it. So, yeah, I guess it's pictures of my Aunt Doris and Billy on it, and Bill. Yeah. But this picture here was taken after my Aunt Doris died. I guess that was a church picture. I don't know. But they're both gone now, all three of them. Only their grandchildren are alive. Plus all the cousins. I'm still alive. He's my cousin, so. Anyway. Oh, anybody got a special memory they want to talk about for their grandma or their mother or their special friend, who was a mother like to them? You can put it in the comments. You can like and subscribe, and it doesn't cost anything. It's a free subscription. Now, if you want to be a member, it's $1.99 a month. That ain't much, So, help out, friends. Help them out. If you like their video, like and subscribe to it. If you don't like their video, don't like and subscribe. So, anyway, just a few more pieces of dishes to put in the dishwasher. And then I'm going to finish watching a video, and then I'm going to go play some Minecraft. I would let y'all know the server I'm playing on, but it's a whitelisted server. Alright, I'll tell you how you can find it. If y'all ever watch I Has Cupquake, She's a big YouTuber out of California. Her and her husband Red, and she has a what's it called? Discord page. Well, I found her Discord page, and I went on there, and she's got a section in her Discord page that says Minecraft servers. It's in there, so you can find a server in there. I thought it was her server, but it's not. It's people that follow her. She lets them advertise their server and have a spot in her Discord there. Or either these are her friends. I'm not exactly sure, but anyway. So, oh well. I'm just about ready to put these dishes on the wash. It's not, no, I don't have enough to turn it on the wash. I'll turn them on tomorrow. And today, my electrician said, I'll be here Friday. I'm not going to tell you his name. Neighbor friend who used to live in the neighborhood. 3 years younger than my daughter. My daughter's 41. And he said he'd be here today. But he showed up yet. It's Friday. So, I'll let y'all know in the next video did he show up or not. So, just say a prayer that I get my house finished within the next couple of months. Because this has been a year. A year last week. And, you know, I'm ready to have it done and over with. So, anyway, y'all, thanks for coming. Thanks for watching my video. And like and subscribe. And we're going to see y'all on the next one. Y'all want to see the dishwasher. That's what I'm loading with the little small dishwasher. Not sponsored, but if they want to sponsor me, they can. It's called a Dandy. D-A-N-D-Y. So, yeah. Everyone, y'all have a blessed day. And we'll see y'all on the next one.